In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install YouTube Studio app. If you are trying to install YouTube Studio app from Google Play Store, but you're getting this or any other related error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, you need to go back to your Google Play Store. So I'll go to Play Store here and tap on it to open. You want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to download and install this app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon here and scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for network preferences and then go to app download preference. Here, choose over any network. This will ensure that you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and try now to install your apps. However, if this does not fix your problem, then it means you don't have a network problem. For that case, you need to troubleshoot Play Store. To troubleshoot Play Store, go to settings and then look for apps. Here it is. And here, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app. So I'll search for Play Store and I'll tap on it. Now the first thing you want to do is to force stop the app and then OK. And then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to Google Play Store and activate search, or search for YouTube Studio, and here it is. Now, if I tap on it and tap on install, now you can see I'm able to download and install YouTube Studio app. But at this point, sometimes if you can't, then check it and see that you are not using any VPN app or any security app that you installed recently. If that is the case, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it to fix the issue. You also want to check and see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, then free up space by deleting unwanted or unused apps as well as files from your phone. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.